Chitradurga district demanding action against alleged illegal encroachment and acquisition of government cattle grazing and lake land in Jodithumbinakere village of Kasaba Hubli, Hosadurga taluk. According to local villagers, the disputed land falls under survey number 7, 8, 9 and 10 of Jodithumbinakere village. The land was originally recorded in the names of kings in 1935 and later remained under government ownership after independence until 1981. The villagers further claimed that the land contains thousands of wild date palm trees, other valuable trees and medicinal plants. They also said that around 4 to 5 acres of the area has been traditionally used as a burial ground where nearby residents have been conducting funeral rites and death anniversary rituals for generations. Allegations have been made that former Hosadurga MLA T.H. Basavarajappa and Patel Gaviyappa of Jodithumbinakere village misled officials by providing false information and exerting influence, leading to the alleged registration of around 69 acres of government land in their names. Following these claims, villagers submitted a petition to the district collector demanding that the allegedly encroached government cattle grazing and lake land be restored and re-registered in the government's name. Reported by Kalmesh Mandyal. For more such updates, stay tuned to Daily Salar Digital.